Cole, Sales and Design Project Manager with Rainwater Management Solutions. I'm here to show you our gooseneck vent assembly. This is an item for underground tanks. We assemble it here at our facility, and it installs to the riser of your underground tank down here, and it allows airflow and pressure change in your tank to respond to water entering and exiting your tank. So it's made of 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC. When we ship it out, it's going to be like this in a C shape, but when it's installed, it should be more of this S shape. So this upper component here is just going to come around 180 degrees. This bottom part here will install to your riser below the grate with a 2-inch bulkhead. The top of the component will actually break through the ground, and this part will be exposed to the open air so that air can flow in and out to adjust the pressure as water enters and exits the tank. This part is pointed down to prevent any water from being able to drip and flow in. And there's also a screen in here to prevent bugs from entering. So as I mentioned, this attaches to your tank riser with a 2-inch bulkhead. If you go for the option to have your tank pre-plumbed, we can pre-install that bulkhead for you. So all you have to do is attach this part to the bulkhead. And it's important to note that all the fittings here need to be glued still. It doesn't ship with any glue installed, so you want to make sure you glue all these fittings. And custom lengths are also available should you need a certain component here to be longer or shorter. We can make that happen for you. And that's just about it. That's our gooseneck vent assembly.